Hi guys, come join me today on a tour of the Beau Floor Plan with DR Horton. I am in the brand new neighborhood of Captain's Cove in Navarre, Florida. We are in the 32566. It is being built still, quite literally, as you can see. This neighborhood does have the access of water there at the end. We're on the south side of 98. And then you do have a pickleball court. So you do have an HOA fee, around $500 yearly, and short-term rental is allowed. You've got great finishes. You got a coastal look with the hardy board siding, 9-foot ceilings inside, as well as quartz countertops. The Beau floor plan is 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, has a 2-car garage, 1 story, and sits right under 1,800 square feet. It is 1,799 square feet. All right, coming inside, you do have a nice foyer area. You can see the beautiful high ceilings and recessed lighting. You do have a coat closet upon entry, so you've got great extra storage. I'm gonna take you to the main living areas first, and then we will explore the rest of the house. So as you can see, the kitchen and the dining area are open to each other. You've got beautiful white shaker style cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, built-in microwave. As I said, you do have the quartz countertops and soft close cabinetry. Yes, it is soft close cabinetry. Sorry, that one did not go, so I was unsure. All right, you do have a pantry for extra storage. It is a corner pantry, so you've got nice depth to it. Little counter area over here to the right of the refrigerator. They've got the Keurig there. That's exactly what I would do. And then you do have a large island. And that does have a breakfast bar. So you've got added seating right there with the breakfast bar in addition to the dining nook here. Access to the back patio right there. And here is your bright and sunny living room. So you've got the nice double window. And just off the living room is the primary bedroom. So you do have a split floor plan. Got a bright double window in there, high ceilings, recessed lighting, carpet in the bedroom here, and then LVP in the bathroom. Got double vanities in here. You do have a separate tub. You have a garden tub. Bright frosted window above it. And then a separate standing shower. It does have the ledge in there with the soap. Do have a walk-in closet in here. Wow, this has a lot of depth to it. This is a great closet. And then you do have a water closet for added privacy. All right, coming back into the main living area. I do like how the living room and the kitchen are not just one big open room. There's a little bit of staggered going on to make the areas feel a little bit separate. Let me take you out back and show you what the covered porch would look like. Here is an up close to that hardy board siding. And then here, this is the model home, but you can see the proximity to 98, so very close to the base and all other things in Navarre. We are in West Navarre, here at Captain's Cove. So there is the covered porch, and I'll take you inside and we will look at the remaining bedrooms. There is the entryway where we came in. So right here you do have your laundry room. It is a dedicated room with washer dryer hookups, and you have the standard Wire shelving right there. Carpet in this bedroom here. And once again, this is the model home. That's why you can see my vehicle right outside. And closet here. That does extend beyond the door frame, so that has some nice depth to it as well. And yeah, you've got a nice sized room in here. All right. This would be the access from the 2-car garage. Once again, this is a model home, so it is being used as an office. I'm sorry, 1-car garage. This floor plan only has a 1-car garage. 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 1-car garage. And here are your other 2 bedrooms. You have got a full bathroom nestled right in the middle here. You've got a tub shower combo in here. Single vanity, quartz countertops, bright vanity lighting, and your tub shower combo. LVP in here, and then we've got carpet in these other 2 bedrooms. Single window in here. And your closet right there. We'll take a peek at that. All right. And on to the 4th and final bedroom. This one is at the front of the home. So you do have a bright double window in here. We can see that beautiful view of the water from here. That is the Santa Rosa Sound. And then you do have your closet right here in this bedroom. All right, guys. Once again, this is the Beau floor plan with D.R. Horton. I really like this floor plan. I like how everything is kind of in its own corner of the house. I love how it's not just one big room for the kitchen and living room, but let us know your thoughts on this one. Once again, y'all, the Beau floor plan with D.R. Horton.